If you've noticed that you're walking a little more hunched over than you used to, you may be tempted to buy one of these posture corrector braces. But do they really work? In this video, I'll explain what posture correction braces can do, what they can't do, what to look for in a posture correction brace, and the number one thing that you must do to even give a posture correction brace the chance of working. So let's get right into it. First of all, how do posture correction braces work? Well, they have straps that go around your shoulders, and usually they're crossed in the back somehow. And that pulls your shoulder blades back together, and usually you can adjust the tension by pulling on straps somehow. But even if you pull the straps really tight, they're not a physical restraint, so they won't prevent you from slouching. You can still slouch wearing a posture correction brace, in which case it won't work at all. What they do, however, is they remind you to stand up with better posture, because when you slouch over, you become more aware of it, and so it's more like a neuromuscular re-education mechanism. It teaches you to be more aware of your posture so that you practice the habit of standing up with better posture. But you do actually have to put that effort in to stand up with better posture. Now, can you do it without a brace? Yes, absolutely. And if you're aware that you're slouching and you correct your posture every time that you're slouching, then yes, that's probably a better way to do it. But the fact is, we're busy in everyday life and we don't recognize that we're slouching more often than not. So having the posture correction brace on reminds you or makes you more aware of your posture, and again, helps you to correct it slightly. Now, will it make you weaker? Most likely not. These really don't provide enough feedback to hold you back and substitute for your muscles. They really just teach you to turn your muscles on, and really you're probably going to turn your muscles on more often wearing one than you would when not wearing one. So I really don't think there's any concern about a posture correction brace making you weaker. Now, should you wear it all day long? Again, probably not, for the number one reason that they're not incredibly comfortable. I wouldn't say it's uncomfortable, but you'll probably get sick of it if you wear it all day long. But wearing it for 30 minutes or an hour or a few hours at a time to gradually retrain your brain to put you in a better posture is probably a good idea. Now, what should you look for in a posture correction brace? There are all kinds of different posture correction braces on the market. There are some that just cross around your shoulders, so it's like a figure 8 harness. It crosses in the back and just goes around your shoulders here, and the thought is it just pulls your shoulders back like that. And I don't think those ones work very well, because they really just focus on your shoulder blades and not your spine. And the biggest problem with people standing more hunched over is an excessively rounded thoracic spine. So you want something that's going to pull you up into thoracic extension. And for that reason, I think you want something that has a waistband like this, that it's going to actually pull you up into thoracic extension. Now, when many people try to correct their posture without a brace on, they'll substitute thoracic extension for lumbar extension, and they'll go into back bending. But these also help to keep you from going into too much lumbar extension because they provide a little bit of a block there. Now I'll show you how this one works. This one is from FitGeno. It has these straps right here, and these control the tension on the shoulder harness. So you can see if I pull really tight here, it pulls my shoulders back more. If I let some tension off, it doesn't pull my shoulders back as much. So you can adjust that tension to your liking, but you put these on last. So I'll just clip these here out of the way. Next are these other straps right here. These control the lumbar tension. So if I pull out right here, I can make more tension on the lumbar spine or on the lower back just by tightening those. And the first thing you do when you're putting it on is you put it around your shoulders and then you strap it up like this. You want this reasonably tight, but not so tight, because you can make it a little bit tighter with these extra straps. And then finally, you'll take these and pull them as tight as you need to help squeeze your shoulder blades back. I tried pulling them as tight as I possibly could, and my arms started to go numb after a period of time, so you probably don't want it quite that tight. If you notice that your hands are getting cold or numb or tingly, then you probably have it just a little bit too tight. So you want a good amount of tension so that it's actually going to remind you to stand up tall, but you don't want it so tight. Now I'll take this off again. FitGeno did actually send me 2 braces, and they work pretty much the same. Like I said, I would recommend one that takes up your entire back, not something that just has like this figure 8 harness up here and none of this stuff down here. But I'll grab the other one, and from your view right now, they probably look almost exactly the same, and that's because they are almost exactly the same. But if we bring them a little bit closer, you'll see this little button and Velcro right here. This one is the height fit one, and you can un-Velcro this. There's another Velcro strap right here, and then you can just slide this down a little bit. So it adjusts for people being different heights. And so if you are going to buy one, this height correction one from FitGeno is probably the one that I would recommend versus rather just the standard small, medium, large, extra large ones. Now, what do you need to do in the long term to fix your posture, regardless of whether or not you use a posture correction brace? You need to strengthen your muscles because, again, the posture correction braces remind you to turn your muscles on, but if you've got incredibly weak, particularly in your thoracic extensors and in your scapular retractors, then you're not going to correct your posture over the long term. So wearing a posture correction brace isn't automatically going to fix or cure bad posture. You do still have to retrain your muscles. And one of my favorite exercises to do that is called a wall angel, where you'll stand with your lower back flat up against a wall like this, push in like that, and you want your lower back all the way flat up against the wall. It's okay and probably fairly likely that your upper back won't touch the wall entirely. So you don't need your head and shoulders and upper back to completely touch the wall, but you do want your lower back on the wall. You may have to walk your feet out a foot or so away from the wall as well. So you lean back into it like that, keep the lower back flat on the wall, and then put your arms up like a goalpost like this, trying to rotate your hands as far back towards the wall as possible. And it's, again, okay if your back doesn't touch. It's okay if your hands and elbows don't touch. Don't force it, and definitely don't force them back by hyperextending through your low back. So just squeeze the shoulder blades back together, try to get as close to the wall as possible, and then hold that for 10 seconds and repeat that for 10 repetitions of 10 seconds apiece. So that's exercise number 1. And that one's my favorite because you can do it just about anywhere. The other one, you only need one piece of equipment, and that's a chair. So I'm gonna grab a chair real quick. We'll bring it right over here. And then you sit down in the chair like this. Now you're going to bring your rib cage down towards your thighs. And you may be thinking, well, if I'm trying to stop hunching over, why am I bending forwards? You're locking out your lower back or your lumbar spine here so that we can raise the arms up like this and get thoracic extension. If we just did arms up overhead like this, you can see it's really easy for me to arch my lower back backwards and compensate for the thoracic spine. So we lock out the lower back by leaning forwards and then raise the arms up like the letter Y, squeezing the shoulder blades together and trying to lift the chest just slightly without your rib cage actually lifting up off of your legs. Again, hold for about 10 seconds or as long as you can, and then come back down and repeat that for 10 repetitions. Now, doing those posture correction exercises, along with potentially wearing a posture corrector brace to remind you to stand up more straight more often, is a great way to help fix posture. And if you'd like to check out the FitGeno Height Fit Posture Corrector, I'll put a link down below this video. But before you go check that out, if you found the video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you get notified of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.